Welcome to Prime Treasures. In this video, we will review the top 6 best cordless vacuum available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for the latest updates. So without taking more of your time, let's jump right into it. Over the past few months, I've had the opportunity to test and review some of the most popular cordless vacuums available today. I have seen the advantages and limitations each offers and have ranked them based on my experience with suction, power, ease of use, battery life, and overall performance. So whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or the absolute best cordless vacuum, then you might want to watch this video till the very end. Number 6. Tineco Pure One. This is the most affordable cordless vacuum I tested, and for the price, it delivers a decent performance. I appreciated how lightweight it felt, which made it easier to move around in smaller areas of my home. Its suction power was impressive for a budget model, especially on hard floors where it performed quite well. The vacuum has two Tineco's eye-loop sensor, which automatically adjusts the suction based on the debris it detects. However, I did find myself having to go over certain spots more than once to pick up everything, especially on carpets. With about 40 minutes of runtime, it was just enough to cover my smaller rooms. But in a larger space, I found myself running out of battery before completing the job. Another downside was the small bin capacity, which meant I had to pause frequently to empty it, making longer cleaning sessions less efficient. In my opinion, the Tineco Pure One is best suited for those in apartments or smaller homes who don't need heavy-duty cleaning. For the price, it offers great value, but does have its limitations. Number 5. Shark Stratos. As someone who has a dog that sheds quite a bit, I was particularly excited about the vacuum's anti-hair wrap technology. True to its promise, the vacuum did an outstanding job pulling up pet hair from carpets and furniture, and the floor had designed funneled hair straight into the dust cup without getting tangled around the roller. This was a significant improvement compared to other vacuums I've tried in the past. The vacuum also comes with 2 batteries, which meant I could get up to 120 minutes of runtime. For me, this was a game-changer since I didn't have to worry about recharging in the middle of cleaning larger spaces. However, the vacuum is quite heavy, and after extended use, I found my arms getting tired. Maneuvering the Shark Stratus around tighter spaces like under chairs was also a bit challenging. This vacuum is an excellent choice if you have pets and need that extra power to deal with hair. But the weight might be a concern for some users. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke Jet. This was definitely the sleekest and most stylish vacuum I tested. It has a modern design that fits nicely into a home without looking out of place, and its self-emptying feature was a lifesaver. After each cleaning session, the vacuum would automatically empty itself into a larger dust bag, housed in the clean station. This added convenience meant I could focus on cleaning without needing to stop frequently to empty the dust bin, which was especially helpful in larger rooms. The vacuum comes with multiple heads, including a special spray-spinning sweeper head for hard floors. I used this head to clean my kitchen tiles, and it left the floors spotless without much effort. However, I did find the vacuum a bit bulky, and it took up more floor space than I would have liked. It also requires dust bags, which can add up over time. In terms of performance, it was solid on both carpets and hard floors, but I feel it's more suited for those who prioritize convenience and aesthetics over absolute power. Number 3. Dyson V11. This was the first vacuum in this list that felt like a real upgrade. The suction power was exceptional, particularly on carpets, where it picked up dirt that other vacuums had missed. What I loved most about the V11 was its intelligent LCD screen, which provided real-time information about the remaining battery life filter, maintenance, and cleaning modes. It was a nice touch, helping me manage my cleaning tasks more efficiently. With a 60-minute runtime, it was enough to cover my entire house without needing a recharge, and I found it performed consistently across both hard floors and carpets. The vacuum also has an auto mode that adjusts the suction power based on the type of surface it's cleaning, which saved me from constantly switching settings. That being said, the V11 is quite expensive, and for the price, I expected a few more attachments. Despite that, it's one of the best options. If you're looking for a versatile vacuum that can handle almost any task. Number 2. Shark Detector Pro. This is one of those vacuums that's full of smart features. I appreciated the 3 different suction modes, especially the Auto Detect mode, which adjusts the power based on how dirty the floor is. I used this mode in my living room, and it worked beautifully, switching between power levels without any input from me. One of its standout features is the flexible stick, which allowed me to get under low furniture without bending over. This was a huge bonus, especially when cleaning under beds and couches. The LED headlights on the floor head were also incredibly helpful, making it easier to spot dust and dirt in dark corners. While it wasn't as powerful as the Dyson models, the Shark Detect Pro still managed to clean effectively, especially on hard floors. It did struggle a bit with thick carpets, though, and I found it slightly lacking in attachments compared to other vacuums in the same price range. Nonetheless, it's a strong contender if you're looking for a vacuum with smart features and flexibility. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The V15 takes the top spot as the best cordless vacuum on the market today. What sets it apart from the rest is its laser dust detection technology. This might sound like a gimmick, but it's incredibly useful. The vacuum projects a green laser onto hard floors, revealing microscopic dust particles that would otherwise be invisible to the naked eye. It was honestly shocking to see how much dirt I had missed in previous cleanings. The V5 is also incredibly powerful, with suction strong enough to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. I tested it on a variety of surfaces, including tile hardwood and thick rugs, and it didn't miss a beat. The runtime is 60 minutes, which was more than enough to clean my entire home, and the vacuum's intelligent cleaning modes adjusted automatically to ensure maximum efficiency. The bin is slightly larger than other Dyson models, which meant fewer trips to the trash can, and the attachments were plentiful. I particularly liked the pet hair tool, which worked wonders on my dog's favorite spots on the couch. The only downside is the price. This is by far the most expensive vacuum on the list. But if you're looking for the absolute best in cordless vacuuming technology, the Dyson V15 Detect is worth the investment. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 best cordless vacuum. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, as we always appreciate that. And for more latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.